Good morning. I'm Mr. Smith, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at Cottonwood High School. We're going to start doing some video recordings to highlight some of the announcements that we have, especially for our English language learners and their families. So what we'd like to do this week, the 14th of September of 2020, is discuss some important announcements from our district. The first one is that every week we have a distance learning day. The district has announced last week that every week we're going to have a distance learning day. What that means is if we go to a calendar here in September, take a look at this week here of September 21st and 22nd. These 2 days are parent-teacher conferences. Typically, we have this Friday as a comp day for our teachers, meaning that no teachers or students come to the school. Normally, we have distance learning days, these DL days, on Fridays. But for this particular week, because every week we're going to have a distance learning component, no students will be here on the 24th, okay? So the 24th will be a distance learning day, meaning students will come the 21st, the 22nd, and the 23rd, but no students on the 24th. And it goes the same with this week of October the 20th, that typically these days would be set apart as teacher comp days, and this day, this year, no students will come to school on the 20th, okay? Same with November, we have the 23rd and 24th are scheduled for students to come, but the 24th will be no students in our school. There'll be distance learning on the 24th. So the 23rd, all students will be in school. Okay, that's the first announcement. The second one is we have a fee waiver application that is due for October 15th. This is for any families who have not signed up for fee waivers for the free classes, need to do so in the office by October 15th. These forms you can get here in the office from one of our secretaries. The district announced last week that there will be free lunch available for all students in the Granite School District. This means that every student in our district and in our schools will have free breakfast in the morning and free lunch at lunchtime all year long. That was approved by our district just last week. You don't need to fill out any forms. You just come and sign up for your free lunch. Okay, for the calendar of this week, we have September 14th through the 19th. This is homecoming week. Homecoming typically is connected to our football team, and we have activities throughout the week. For today, on Monday, today, our food pantry is open from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Any new students for tomorrow will have their pictures taken. So if you're a new student and did not get your picture taken previously, you will have your picture taken tomorrow. We have our superintendent will visit on Wednesday. He's our big boss. You can see the activities that we have through the week. On Thursday, we have a modified schedule, and it is here. You can see the assembly schedule. We'll have 2 assemblies, and it depends on when students have their lunch. Okay? So assembly number 1, for those that have first lunch, will be from 8:50 to 9:45, and you can see a difference in schedules Okay, every class will be shorter by about 10 minutes. Okay. The second assembly will be from 10 to 11 for those that have second lunch. Okay. The pantry will be open again on Thursday as well as Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 2:30, and you can see the activities for homecoming here. Powder Puff football is where the girls play football and the boys are the cheerleaders, and that will be Thursday evening at 6 p.m. in our football field. The football game for homecoming is Friday evening at 7 p.m. and distance learning, meaning no students will be in the school on Friday. They will learn from home. Okay. On Saturday, September 19th, is our homecoming activity. Typically, this would be a dance, but this week we are going to have an outdoor movie on the football field, which begins at 8 p.m. and will end at 9:30 p.m. An important announcement for next week, the week of September 21st to the 26th, Monday and Tuesday will be parent-teacher conferences, and these will be virtual, meaning they will be by computer or by phone. Okay, those are run from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. The food pantry will be open that day. And both days we will get a schedule to you when and how you will communicate with your teachers. Okay, there are the other activities for the week, and on Friday again, or Thursday again, there will be no school. Okay, for students it will be distance learning right here, distance learning for all students. Okay, put a highlight. Distance learning for all students and the activities that evening. So there are no school or school activities on Friday. Okay. If you have any questions about the schedule or any of the announcements, please contact us in the office either by phone or by email, and you can get to our website here at graniteschools.org/Cottonwood High or Google Cottonwood. The calendars are here, and the directory with administrators is here, and you can contact any one of us here at the office. We really appreciate you and hope to see you soon. Bye.